Yes, we are back with the home tour of a 3 BHK cozy home with rich and vibrant materials, a home that is modern and welcoming. Each space is meticulously crafted to portray luxury and sophistication while maintaining a warm and inviting ambience. Dark and bold green can be seen used in furnitures, fabrics, and accent curtains in the living room. The dining room with luxurious marble top dining table, beveled wall mirrors, and expensive lighting depicts an aesthetically pleasing space, keeping functionality as the priority. A carefully curated wooden mandir with carvings divides the dining room from the kitchen. The C-shaped kitchen with ample storage and light colors makes it both practical and stylish. The false ceiling designs throughout the flat serve to unite the entire space, adding character and charm. A minimalistic wooden double bed with a stylish headboard and wardrobes with loft for this guest bedroom. One can see a perfect blend of contemporary and welcoming charm in this elegant master bedroom. Kids' bedroom has been kept simple with grey shades in the sofa cum bed, wardrobes, and a study table with chair. Overall, this home perfectly blends splendor, luxury, and comfort to create a space that is both breathtaking and inviting. Thanks for watching.